Digital education is nothing new. Many ideas circulate about what it is and what it should look like. But these ideas are often based on misconceptions that prevent digital education from reaching its full potential. Let's have a look at 6 of the most common misconceptions. First, technology alone leads to better learning. Digital tools will not automatically improve your teaching. Immediate integration of new technology should not be your main goal. To use technology wisely, start by formulating learning objectives and your learning scenario, and then choose the right tools to support them. Teaching strategy must come first. Second, any learning material and format is suitable for any student, be it online or on-site. Not all students learn in the same way. Personalization and variation are key. Use frontal teaching, discussions, group and individual tasks, hands-on activities as well as readings and videos to engage students with different learning preferences. Third, many teachers assume that providing digital learning material is enough to support learning. When selecting material for students, too much information can overwhelm them. It's crucial to focus on quality over quantity. Choose the material carefully and make it engaging by providing tasks, guiding questions, or a short quiz to ensure they interact with the content and truly understand it. Otherwise, the illusion of learning is often greater than the actual learning. Number 4. Students, as digital natives, are digitally well-equipped and proficient in digital tools. Some are, but many students need to learn to use digital tools in a reflective way. Not all students are equally equipped with the latest hardware or have access to the same online services or licenses. This is difficult to account for, but important to be aware of. The 5th misconception is very common but not very well thought out. On-site teaching can be replicated one-to-one in online scenarios. What works face-to-face may not work as well online. Rethink your scenario if you teach all or part of your course online. In particular, focus on creating a social context and activating your students. And finally, on-site teaching and online scenarios oppose each other. They do not. Try to neither demonize nor glorify the possibilities of digital tools. Get the best of both worlds. Integrate digital tools into your on-site teaching or deliberately incorporate online phases into your on-site courses. Used correctly, digital tools are valuable for achieving great learning effects. So next time you create a course with digital learning aspects, try to get the most out of it.